Managing subtasks, approvals, and meetings with events. This video will cover setting up events, access controls, and using events. We'll start out in the DevSuite admin. Under Advanced Features, we have the menu item for Event Settings. This is where we handle event templates and notifications. Now, it's important to know that an event is essentially a subtask used to keep track of something that needs to happen or has already happened in relation to an item in DevSpec. For example, we may have here a template for a design meeting. That template is an event that may need to occur for a DevSpec item. We can add new event types by clicking the New button and configuring our event as either a regular event or a change flagging event. For now though, we'll just concern ourselves with the regular events. So let's add an executive presentation event. Once it's created, we can add a description and set the default state. Setting the default state is also where we configure what the possible states are for an event and if the event is visible in a particular state. So we can add an open state like not performed and a successfully closed state like completed. We can also then set applicable owners to restrict who can own our new event and who the default owner should be. And we can set up start and end dates. These are set up with an offset based on the current time. So for instance, I could set an event to default to start 1 day after creation and end 7 days after that. For an event, you can also set up access controls based on account type for who can submit, edit, or delete the event. And finally, you can configure if the event is applicable to the system requirement or specification types. This just sets whether or not the event is available for an item of system type, requirement, or specification. Now then, let's take a look at how we might use events in the user interface. For any requirement or specification, there is an Event tab. This tab is where we can handle all the events related to a particular item. A new event is added by clicking the New Event button. When adding an event, you will have the option to select from the templates we configured earlier. If we select our new event, you will see that all the fields are populated as we configured. Once the event is created, it will now show in the list and can be reported on and tracked. Multiple events can be used to track various milestones for an item so that we can easily report on progress.